Good. Got 5 wings. All right, y'all about done. Gotta go back to work. Y'all catch the new series on I'm on series on Netflix. It's the Karate Kid Cobra. I'm on episode 2. I'm on episode 2. That's pretty good. Yeah, been locked in. Karate Kid got a series. It's pretty good. It's with the guy that, well, right now, they're showing the guy that he fought with the blonde hair. And showing his life. But the other guy is a character in there. The main character, the Karate Kid. But look, the movie is based mostly on him. So I'm on episode 1, going on 2. So I'm gonna keep y'all